Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable tracking on your app so you can unlock Playful Rewards. Let's get started. Some apps and games give you extra rewards like coins, points or bonus when you allow tracking. First, unlock your iPhone and open settings on your phone. Now scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Inside privacy and security, look for tracking, tap on it. At the top, you will see a switch called allow app to request to track. If the switch is off, tap it once to turn it on. This allows app to ask permission for tracking. This step is very important for Playful Rewards to work. Now open the game or app that offers Playful Rewards. When a pop-up appears saying allow this app to track your activity, tap allow and that's it. You should now start receiving Playful Rewards in the app. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.